In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the AliExpress app. Whether you're on Android or iPhone, the process is quick and secure when you use the official app stores. I'll walk you through finding the app, installing it, and opening it so you can start browsing deals in minutes. To begin, open your device's app marketplace, the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone. You'll find the icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and a little free storage space. If prompted, sign in with your Google or Apple account. That's required for all downloads. Avoid third-party websites. Using the official store helps keep your device safe and ensures you get updates. Inside the store, tap the search bar at the top and type AliExpress. Look for the official AliExpress shopping app. You can confirm you've got the right one by checking the developer name and the large number of downloads and reviews. The app icon is recognizable, and the listing should clearly say it's the official marketplace. If you see similarly named apps, skip them and choose the trusted listing that appears at or near the top of the results. Once you're on the correct app page, tap Install on Android or tap Get on iPhone. On iPhone, you may need to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. The download bar will show progress. Larger apps can take a minute or two depending on your connection. If you're on mobile data, keep an eye on your plan. If the store asks for basic permissions related to installing apps, go ahead and allow them to proceed. When the download completes, tap Open to launch the app. You can also find the new icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. On the welcome screen, choose to log in if you already have an account, or register if you're new. Follow the prompts to set your region and language, and review notification preferences so you only get the alerts you want. After signing in, you're ready to explore categories, search for items, and save favorites. For quicker access later, move the icon to your home screen's first page, and consider enabling automatic updates in your store settings so you always have the latest features and security fixes. That's it, you've successfully downloaded and opened the AliExpress app. If you ever run into issues, update your device software and try again, or reinstall from the same store.